I'm Iris, and today we are grilling some Thai grilled pork skewers. We're going to make a delicious marinade, and we're gonna go all out for this. We have our mortar and our pestle, and we have our spices that we're gonna mix in here and make a nice little paste for our pork to marinate in. So let's get started. So we've just lightly toasted these spices, and then we're gonna get them all ground up. Toasting it just helps release some of that delicious flavor. The stems of some cilantro, garlic cloves, and then we're just gonna give this a little mix into a paste. Because these are wet ingredients, they will paste up really nice. Here we have fish sauce, we have oyster sauce, palm sugar, and here we have tapioca starch, which really just thickens up this paste to really help adhere to our meat. All right, so from here, we're just gonna add it directly into this shallow dish where we can marinate our meat. Coconut milk will add a nice sweetness, a little bit of coconut flavor, but it's not too strong, and this creaminess that's gonna balance out some of the strong flavors we have in this marinade. All right, so now that we have our marinade prepped, we can get to slicing our pork shoulder. We're gonna slice these into between 1/4 and 1/2 inch thickness, so pretty thin. Ask Iris, how did you end up with a triangle when it was a square to begin with? These are the mysteries. Beautiful. So now that you have your pork shoulder sliced up, we can just toss it into our marinade. Make sure all the nooks and crannies are well marinated so that every single bite of this skewer is delicious. All right, now that our meat has been marinating for 4 hours, we are ready to skewer. Ready for the grill. All right, we're gonna get our grilled Thai pork skewers onto the grill. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Oh yeah. We're gonna let this cook for a bit, and then flip. And the pork shoulder has so much delicious fat that this can really go on the grill for a long time. Nice and crispy. Oh yeah. Look at this beautiful color. All right, y'all. Here we have our grilled pork skewers, Thai style, off the grill. They're almost ready to eat. Look at this delicious caramelization. Just gonna garnish quickly with some cilantro. So I'm gonna serve these up kind of Thai street style. So I'm actually just gonna slide them off the skewer and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. So good. You have the sweetness from the palm sugar, the creaminess from the coconut. The lime cuts through that richness so well. The fat melts in your mouth. The meat is perfectly cooked. This is such a winner. These were Thai grilled pork skewers, and this was Bussin Eats. Let us know if you try this. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.